Like you're sitting by a mountain lake at golden hour, or vibing under a tree while it rains softly. I lay where the wildflowers kiss the sun, where rivers hum songs when the day is done. The sky paints poems in lavender blue, and time moves slow like it's meant to. Leaves speak softly with every breeze. Their stories older than city streets. The world exhales and I breathe in, a quiet soul beneath my skin. I breathe with the earth, I dance with the rain, I melt with the morning, forget all the pain. No clocks, no noise, just sky and stone. In nature's arms I'm never alone. The moon tells tales to the whispering tide. Stars like lanterns in midnight stride. My heartbeat sinks with the owl's low song. In this green cathedral I belong. Roots beneath and the wind above, I'm wrapped in silence, wrapped in love. Let the world run fast, I'll stay slow. With dirt-stained hands and heart aglow, I breathe with the earth, I dance with the rain, I melt with the morning, forget all the pain. No clocks, no noise, just sky and stone. In nature's arms I'm never alone. Never alone. Let the thunder cleanse my name, let the firelight heal my flame. I was never lost, just far from home. Now I bloom where wild things roam. So if you seek peace, don't chase the sky. Lay down where the wild things lie. Close your eyes, feel the rebirth. Just breathe.